Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Sundaram Large and Mid Cap Fund, an open-ended equity scheme investing in both large and mid-cap stocks. What are large cap companies? Large cap companies are defined as top 100 companies by market capitalization. These companies tend to be stable and are typically industry or sector leaders. What are mid-cap companies? Mid-cap companies are the 101st to 250th companies by market capitalization. They tend to be lesser researched compared to large cap stocks, thus creating a valuation gap which makes them attractive instruments. Mid-caps are riskier than large caps but have higher growth potential. What is the portfolio strategy of Sundaram Large and Mid-Cap Fund? Sundaram Large and Mid-Cap Fund invests in approximately 40 stocks in which the fund manager has high conviction. These stocks are bought basis the buy and hold strategy approach for 3 to 5 years. Generic equity allocation in the fund would be 50 to 60% allocation to large caps and 40 to 50% allocation to mid caps. The fund allows a top-down approach with a focus on theme or sector allocation combined with bottom-up stock selection. Why invest in Sundaram Large and Mid-Cap Fund? The mid-cap allocation in the fund can create alpha for investors, while large-cap allocation in the fund provides stability to the portfolio. Investors can invest in this fund for their long-term financial goals such as retirement planning, child's education, and for wealth creation. Fun facts. Invest today. For more information, contact your mutual fund distributor or registered investment advisor and invest today. You can also invest online. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.